Yo, what's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Sid, and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make a crew logo, cause that's what y'all been requesting. And right here, as you can see, I have an image. I got it from the internet. It could be anything you want, really. And then make sure the project size should be 800 by 800. So that's the right crew size. So yeah, right here, you can scale it, like put like what you want to see, like you know. But it don't really matter because the text would be over it and you won't see most of it, but it don't really matter. So just do what you want to do. And yeah, right here, I press Control A and then copy and then paste it and then delete uh the one right there. So once you delete that, it should be in the right size. And then what you want to do here is put the image to smart object so we can use camera raw filter later. Right here, I started adding the text. Uh, with the text, it's really simple. Just put your name and your crew name, whatever you want to put, and make sure you put everything good because they want it to look good. And right here, I'm just gonna use text because what's it called? I'm using this for example. So yeah, just use text. And once you have it how you was, right here, I messed up. I don't know why I pressed that, but yeah, I'm gonna fix that there. Hold on. Yeah, I fix it here. And basically that. And then what you want to do, just play around with the text. You could put whatever you want. And then you see how I put it here. Yeah, I mean, just put whatever style you want. Just play with it, whatever you want. Yeah. I'ma just speed past this so y'all don't gotta see this bullshit. But yeah. Alright, so boom. Once you done with that, we gonna do the color part. What you wanna do here, just follow what I do. And yeah. So right here, this is for the other color. Yeah, but anyways, right here, as you can see, the picture's like bluish white, kinda. So just pick what you want to do, but make sure the first overlay, it should be like the darkest well, the darkest color of the image that you want, and then the other one should be like the light version of that color. So like as you can see right here, what I'm doing is just doing that. So make sure you do it right. So yeah. And yeah, just follow what I do. This is for like well, if you want this, as you can see what it does. If that's what you want, you could put it. Yeah, just like I said, play around with it and shit like that. Yeah, and once you done with that, like basically all I did, like all you need is the matte thing and then the uh shadow, and that's all you need basically. Again, right here, you could just play with everything. So yeah, I'm gonna just skip past this. So yeah. So yeah, we're done with that. Now it's time for the ID code. So basically just put any code. But for me, I'm putting this as example. Just put anything that, yeah. So just put anything and yeah. And we're gonna do the same thing with the text. We just gonna play around with it until we put we put it as our liking. So yeah, do the same thing. Play around with it. And yeah, I'm gonna skip this into the coloring part. So yeah, once you do that, you wanna do the coloring part. Do the same thing. So yeah, put the shadow. And for this, you can keep it as like this if that's what you want. But for me, I like it white. So, cause as you can see, it matches with the white on the hair. So I like to put white. All right. So we're gonna put. Well, just put like a dark color and then put white over it. Yeah. This is me restarting because I don't know why it's not showing, but yeah. And you just put that, and it should be good. And yeah. Once we did that, now it's time for the good part. I mean, for the most exciting part. And I'm about to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so from right here, uh, I'm in my vibe, so you can't see it, but yeah. Okay, bro, what the fuck? Alright, so what you wanna do is get this image. I mean, it could be anything. You could put any image, or you could not put an image at all. For this, is just like adding like more texture. Like, I don't know, it just look cool. And then do Control A, and then do the other stuff. Like, yeah. And then what you wanna do is put it as linear dodge. So y'all, and then it's gonna look like that. And then there's another one that you gotta put. So let me put that. Sorry, I gotta put that. Oh, that's right here. And then once you put that, do the same thing, and you should be done. So yeah, for here now, you can keep it like this, or you cannot put no image. But yeah, for here you can do anything. So you could just add like any type of like image that you want for like texturing. Here, here I added like some smoke thing. Yeah, just to give it that, that texture, and then it look cooler like that. So yeah, that's what I put. Like I said before, you can do anything. Yeah, so when you're done with that, just merge the layers, and then for this, you're gonna y'all should know about this. So this is like to add like coloring, like I don't know, to make it pop kinda in a way. So yeah, just do what I do, or you can do whatever you want. Like just make it as your liking. So the first color should be the lightest color, and then the other one should be the darkest color, like how I'm doing right here. So yeah, you could do that. So yeah, and then once you finish that, I'm gonna teach you how to do the camera raw filter thing. Okay, so now we almost done. All I gotta do is one final step, and is to go to the camera raw filter, and then let it load up. And then once it load up, this what you will see. Make sure you see this. If it don't show this, then make sure your image is a smart object. So yeah, and then you can just play around with this, like I said. Just play around there until you find what you like. And once you find what you like, you can just leave it like that. For here, I'm just gonna put this because it look cool and make the colors pop more. So yeah, do what you gotta do, and then should be done. And this is the finished product. I hope y'all liked the video. I know it's kind of complicated, but yeah, that's how it looks like. You don't gotta do it like mine, but yeah. Peace, y'all.